Hi everyone, my name is Star Excel, your Excel Sifu from YXL. In this video, we are going to see how we are able to do a data entry with this elegant way. Typically, how people that do the data entry, they will click on the specific location. For example, the name will be Alpha, and they use their mouse and click the next one. Maybe this is the Department of Accounting department, and they use their mouse to click the position. This is Manager and they so on. So whenever they use the mouse, they move, especially they have a lot of column after they key in all the numbers and especially the date, then they will use their mouse from the last column and go to the beginning and click for the subsequent data entry. Now you are able to do this with a simple keystroke. Let me explain to you why I'm doing all these things. At first, let me remove the first data. Now start from a beginning. So I just click, I move my mouse away, and I just type alpha. After I key in the first data, I want to move the next one, I press the tab key. Tab key is on the left side and above the caps lock. Press tab key, go to the next department, accounting, and I press tab key when I'm done, and position is manager. And I'm intentionally to make a mistake here. I press tab. I realize I made mistakes. So in order to go back to a previous column, I just need to hold the shift tab. Remember, no arrow key and no mouse clicking in this sequence. When I want to edit here, I press the keyboard F2. F2 will allow us to edit on the particular cell. I do the correction. Once I'm done, I press the tab key, and this is the email alpha@example.com. Once I'm done, press tab key, and the join date is 1st of January year 2000. Once I'm done, on the last one, I just press enter. It will go to the beginning of the very first column of the subsequent row. If I do the second one with a little bit faster sequence, Bravo, and the department will be Information Technology, and the position is supervisor. This is Bravo at example.com, and the join is 2nd of January year 2000. Once I'm done, what key should I press? Tab or enter? Yes, you're right. Press enter, it go to the next row at the beginning of the first row. With this kind of data entry, you use tab key, move to the next one, and use your shift tab, go to previous one. Any adjustment, press F2. Once you're done, you continue with the F, tap. Go until the very end, you press enter. With this kind of simple movement, your data entry will be done super duper easy fast. No matter you are a beginner of Excel or use Excel for a couple of times, but you have not used this type sequence. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you find this video helpful and interesting and benefiting to you, remember to like and share to your friends and colleagues so that they are able to benefit from the same learning as well. And remember to subscribe to this channel, or you can get connected to me in the LinkedIn profile. And my name is Star Excel, your Excel Sifu from YXL.